Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sophie, I hope you're well. Today I am excited to be reviewing Foxy Locks hair extensions. The set that I will be showing you today is the 14-inch from their range Elegant in the colour Cocoa. With this set you get 120 grams of hair, which is plenty for me because what I want to achieve is more volume rather than length. This is actually my very first YouTube video, so please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe and let me know in the comments how I've done today. So in this set you get 7 wefts. You get 1 4 clip, 2 3 clips, 2 2 clips and you get 2 1 clips. So as I said, this is the 14-inch. I will show you what the clips look like. So they have a silicone strip that runs across, making them seamless. One thing that I love most about Foxy Locks is the fullness of their extensions and how long they last. A lot of hair extensions that I've purchased in the past, they start off really nice, silky, soft and luxurious, and within a few times of wearing them and styling them, they're not as nice as what they were when I first bought them. Whereas Foxy Locks, I've actually had a set of their extensions for over a year and they're still soft, they're still silky, they're still smooth and the clips are still very sturdy. I don't have anything to complain about. They simply just tick every box. So I thought I'd quickly show you the packaging for Foxy Locks. I have taken my extensions out. You have 2 separate compartments. You have the bottom compartment which a tester strip of extensions come in. You can test them against your hair so that they're the right colour, and then your main bulk of extensions are in the top section of the box, which you can then open once you know that the tester strip is suited to your hair. Once you open this top section, the hair extensions are then non-returnable. Something I've been loving at the moment is this Argon Oil hair treatment. This has really helped my hair. I used to previously bleach my hair. I've never had haircuts often, so the ends of my hair have always been quite split. I have recently had a haircut. But this has really helped with my hair. It helps to repair, rejuvenate and leaves your hair shiny, smooth and healthy. I have really noticed a difference in my hair since I've been using this. I just pop a few drops in my hand and apply it in my hair when it's towel dried. I've simply then just blow dried my hair this morning. So I'll very quickly show you how I put in my hair extensions. To begin with, I start with sectioning a bit of hair right at the bottom, so a very small bit of hair. And I tie my hair up. So I start with a 2 clip at the very bottom, like so. And then I will separate another section of hair just above that. I can't see what I'm doing, so it's probably not the tidiest job. And what I do is I brush in between the layers of hair extensions. This helps to just blend them in with your natural hair. I then go in with another 2 clip. I take another section above that. And now I pop in a 3 clip. I'm trying to do this as best as I can without actually seeing. On the widest part of my head, which is this section here, I will be putting in a 4 clip. Above that, I apply the last 3 clips. Take out the hair. give it a quick brush. And finally, I put in the 2 1 clips at the front of my head, just to add a little bit of volume around my face. So that's all the clips in my hair. I can't even feel them. What I love about this set of hair extensions is the fact that they are slightly longer than my natural hair, but it kind of looks like I've had layers cut in, which is something I've never been able to do with my natural hair because it's so fine. So my hair just looks so much more full and healthy and thick, and I just love them. They do bring me so much confidence. I'll show you quickly again what it looks like at the back. So as you can see, you just can't see the clips at all, and I put them quite high up. Just looks so natural. You can wave your hair about. Another thing I love is the fact that I haven't actually had to really style them in. A lot of hair extensions, you have to curl them, you have to straighten them in order for them to look natural in your own hair. With this set of hair extensions, I haven't had to do that. I've washed my hair, dried my hair, popped my extensions in, and that's it. If I wanted to, I could go around like this for the day and there would be no problems. Nobody would know. I actually paid £95 for these hair extensions. I would say that they are worth every penny, and I will be buying all my future sets of extensions from Foxy Locks. They have given me confidence like no other extensions have. They are so discreet, they are seamless, they are light, they are natural, they are silky, they are good quality, they last a long time. There's so many factors about these extensions that just win over any other extensions I've tried before. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I hope to see you in my next video. I might do a how I style my extensions, so keep an eye out for that. Thank you for watching. Bye!